Satu. Hello everyone. Today we are from Copium Team. Today would like to present about our investment feature for SeaBank application. Next. Copium Team is consist of me, Vincentius Preston Wariki as a leader, and then we have two members. Member one is Dustin Susanto, and the second member is Kenny Randy Kwando. Next. Okay, so this is our introduction about our investment feature. So for the background is many people now want to try to manage their money with the existing investment methods. So therefore we present investment feature that can be used by everyone. That's our background why we make this investment feature for SeaBank. Next.
So this is the investment page. Next. First, we have investment homepage. So in this page, we can register to join the investment, and there are several types of investment, today's news, and trending stocks. Next. So this is the register investment page. In here, user must register themselves first before making an investment by filling in a few questions. Next. And this is the today's news. In here, we have today's news feature that useful for user to know the current investment related condition. This page is made simple so the user can read it clearly. Next.
Okay, the next page is investment product in detail. On this page contain a list of name of shares that can be purchased by users. Stock details contain information related to stock and a simulation of the total profit that will be obtained by user. The next one is buying investment product. User can buy the desired stock with a certain nominal. After that, there is a portfolio performance. Displaying portfolio performance information owned by user. And the portfolio allocation display information on the allocation of funds owned by user, such as stocks, money market, and others. That's all from Copium Team. Thank you.